Jai Shri Gurudev. Service to mankind is a service to God. Our watchwords from our founder president, Padma Bhushan Bhairavaikya Jagadguru, Shri 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 Dr. Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji, the 71st Pontiff of Shri Adichunchanagiri Mahasamsthana Math. This philosophy today has taken the form of Great Shri Adichunchanagiri Shikshana Trust and 500 plus institutions benefiting more than 130,000 students every year all over India. Shri Adichunchanagiri Shikshana Trust has taken health and education service to the newer and greater glory through its BGS Health and Education City, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. BGS Health and Education City is under the loving and watchful care of His Holiness Jagadguru Shri 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 Dr. Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji, President and Revered Shri Shri Dr. Prakashanatha Swamiji, Managing Director, BGS and SJB Group of Institutions and Hospitals.
Jagadguru Padma Bhushan Dr. Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji established Adichunchanagiri Shikshana Trust, under which more than 475 education institutions are established. 125,000 students are taking education starting from kindergarten to post-graduation, varied from medical college, engineering college, degree colleges, and so on and so forth. Here the beauty is ancient kind of education is being blended with modern kind of education.
As a part of quality initiatives, BGS provides highest quality infrastructure that take care of all the educational needs right from KG to PG education. The famous educational institutions located in this campus are BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences. BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences has been a precisely national medical college from its inception. The college uses an inevitable approach to medical training and is committed to promotion of medical education. BGS Global Super Speciality Hospitals. A team of dedicated doctors and health professionals committed to the cause of service before self and the vision of Dr. Shri 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 Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji are present round the clock and working with the spirit of dedication and selflessness to give the best of environment, treatment, medical facilities and care. Apollo BGS Hospital. Apollo BGS Hospital is NABH accredited super speciality tertiary care hospital located in the heart of Royal City, Mysore. Today, it is one of the largest private hospitals in the region, leading to the inner human potential through quality services. SJB College of Nursing, BGS Global Institute of Allied Health Sciences, SJB Institute of Technology. SJB Institute of Technology is one of the finest institutions providing engineering education empowered with research, innovation and entrepreneurship. It is accredited by NAC New Delhi with highest level of A grade. As per AMCAT report, the institution is known to produce most employable graduates in the country by training students on soft skills and domain skills. SJB School of Architecture and Planning. SJB School of Architecture and Planning is a place for internationally recognized architecture and construction management. It is the only 24/7 school of architecture in the state with Memorandum of Understandings with universities in 3 continents. SJB College of Management Studies. SJB College of Education. SJB School of Interior Design. SJB Institute of Fashion Technology. BGS Public School. BGS Public School provides a secure and tranquil environment, providing the holistic education based on the CBSE curriculum. All these institutions are extending their services to highest quality education and best healthcare for all. The campus also accommodates excellent facilities for sports and cultural activities. World-class athletic track surrounded by all outdoor games facilities and indoor auditorium. In the BGS Health and Education City, as a mark of respect and thanksgiving gesture to Founder President Jagadguru Shri 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 Dr. Balagangadharanath Mahaswamiji. Every year, the schools and colleges celebrate the Founders' Day for 2 days in the form of BGS Utsav in the auditorium. The program aims at fostering the moral and ethical values of the Indian culture. BGS Knowledge City. The mission of BGS Educational Services is to enlighten, enrich and encourage the glorious Indian and international culture among Indian, NRI and foreign students. To cater to this aspect, Mahaswamiji established BGS Knowledge City at Kumbalagodu, Bengaluru. This prestigious campus accommodates BGS International Residential School, CBSE curriculum, BGS International Academia School, Cambridge curriculum, and BGS School of Architecture and Planning with all its reputation for quality education and commitment to excellence. The school is already into the topmost reckoning schools of the nation. This campus is spread on 100 acres of natural surroundings with the state-of-the-art infrastructure for academics, sports and cultural activities. The schools are fully equipped with indoor and outdoor sports facilities, world-class cricket stadium, Olympic-sized swimming pool, golf course, horse riding and so on. BGS National Public School is another jewel in the crown of the trust. The school is situated at Hulimavu near Bannerghatta Main Road, Bengaluru. This is one of the nation's top schools, known for thousands of alumni who have emerged and serving the nation in different capacities. The saplings of service and education sown by Mahaswamiji have now grown into a big cluster of trees that has its branches spread out even in Delhi in the form of BGS International Public School, which is quenching the thirst of students. Today, the Shikshana Trust stands firmly in guiding the students on the journey of successful life on the path of hope, joy and faith. Today, BGS and SJB group of institutions are known for rendering human services under the guidance and blessings of visionary leader, Managing Director, revered Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Nath Swamiji. The contribution to the mankind by Pujya Swamiji through the education and health has been acknowledged by the global society by awards like Honorary Doctorate by University of South America, Excellence Awards of Entrepreneurship by World Medical Council, Lifetime Achievement Award by Bangalore Management Association and Education Stalwarts Award by Education Today. Jai Shri Gurudev.